However, Travis Japan is pushed to the limit by a terrifying giant balloon. Nakamura Kitu takes outrageous action and gets the other members involved. Travis Japan reacts to a giant balloon to the sixth episode of Travis Japan variety show, in which Travis Japan tries to improve their variety scale. Will be streamed on Prime Video from midnight on February 21st, and we will be broadcast on Chukyo TV from midnight on February 26th. This time, Travis Japan will be taking on the giant balloon challenges. What kind of performance will the members show? Will the balloon tied to their bodies inflate and pop